You're watching 7 Action News this morning on TV 20 Detroit.
Well, coming up after the break, Michigan's no-fault insurance law can be really tricky, especially when you get into an accident. Who's responsible? What are your obligations? Well, we have a senior partner from Goodman Acker to help break it all down for us. You may not have been in an accident, and we hope you never are. But this is information you'll want to have if you find yourself in that situation. You're watching 7 Action News this morning on TV 20 Detroit. In Michigan, drivers have to purchase no-fault insurance, and some car insurance companies have added provisions to their policies that decrease your insurance in certain instances. Here to explain what it all means is Jerry Acker from Goodman Acker. Thank you so much, Jerry, for joining us this morning.
Nice to see you.
Let's talk about some of these step-down provisions in these no-fault policies.
Sure.
What is this?
Well, there's two different parts of your no-fault, your auto insurance policy. One's the no-fault side that takes care of your lost wages, your medical when you're injured in an accident. The flip side of that is the liability side. If you cause an accident and you cause someone to be seriously hurt, you buy insurance coverage to protect you, protect your assets, your money, your house, your 401k. And most people are smart enough to buy $250,000 or $500,000 worth of insurance. But the step-down provision is a little provision that the insurance companies have been sneaking in, so that if your family member is injured in the accident, if I'm driving and my daughter's in the back seat and I hurt her, she's not entitled to recover those monies. She's only entitled to recover the $20,000 minimum.
Oh, okay.
And so they've snuck that in. It's a dirty little secret. That money goes straight to the insurance company's bottom line, and you're left holding the bag for the bad things that have happened to your child.
How do you find out if you have that in your policy?
Well, you know, these are policies that are written by lawyers. They're multiple pages. There's some parts that give and some parts that take. And I recommend that people go to the Goodman Acker website, and we'll have a list of those insurance companies that pull that on you, and you can decide whether it's an insurance company that you still want to pay.
You know, we were talking before we came on camera about Michigan's insurance laws and insurance regulations, and lots of us just know we have really expensive insurance, but you told me that that's not necessarily a bad thing.
Well, you get what you pay for, and in Michigan we have a unique system that takes care of families who have been injured in accidents. So if you lost your job, you'll get your lost wages. If you have medical care, you'll get your medical care. And medical care can go on for the course of your entire life. So we get something that's far more important in Michigan than anywhere else in the country.
And that covers not just lifetime medical, but you said multiple years of lost wages.
3 years of lost wages, nursing care in your home or nursing care in a facility, anywhere that you need it, anywhere in the country.
Now, when purchasing car insurance, what are some of the things that consumers should be on the lookout for?
Well, they should go to an insurance company that will take care of them. And next month at the Goodman Acker website, we're going to have our blog posts of the top 10 insurance companies and the bottom 10 insurance companies. It's not just what you pay, it's what you get for it. And those are important things.
And how, when someone is in a fight with their insurance companies, because we think of the insurance companies as people that we pay to protect us. That's what insurance is, right? How do we negotiate, arguing with, fighting with, trying to get the benefits out of our insurance that we need?
Well, in my world, insurance companies aren't your good neighbor. They're an insurance company that's there to make money. And their goal is to make money and to do everything that they can within the bounds of the law mostly. But some insurance companies have under-trained adjusters. They have people who don't know what they're doing. For instance, Geico talks about their 15%, but all of the people who administer Geico's claims for no-fault insurance are down 60 miles south of Atlanta. Those aren't adjusters who are there, who are close to you, who are able to take care of you.
So in a case like that, how do you even, they hire like local adjusters to look at the cars?
They hire local people to look at the car for the damages, but for the injuries that you suffer, for your lost wages and your medical care, they've got people south of Atlanta who are looking at that.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Jerry Acker of Goodman Acker. Your name's right there on the sign. Thank you so much for joining us this morning
My pleasure.
Giving us information about Michigan's no-fault policies.